everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these SimpleHouseware's mesh pop-up laundry hampers have really made laundry quite simple in my house. They're so nice because I can store them flat and slide them in between my washing machine and dryer, and when I'm ready to use them, they just pop right out. I can put my clean clothes in them and take them off to the bedroom to fold them and put them away. I also love taking them on vacation too. They fold down easily. I can store them right in the front pocket of my luggage, and then wherever I'm going, I can just pop them right out, put all of our dirty clothes in them. It keeps our area clean. I recently took them on a cruise, and it really helped to keep the cabin nice and tidy. And when I was done and ready to pack up, I took the whole hamper and pushed it down in the luggage, and I was ready to go. Of course, there are a ton of different ways to use these, whether it be to organize kids' stuffed animals in their bedrooms or in the toy room, or even for extra blankets. However I've used them, I find that they're so helpful. They keep me organized, they keep my home tidy, and I've just really enjoyed using these SimpleHouseware mesh pop-up laundry hampers. And that's my point of view.